Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech News Tribe. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our tech adventures. And if you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below. Diving into the realm of adventure filmmaking, these 5 action cameras redefine what's possible on the move. From pocket-sized powerhouses to modular maestros and industry titans, each model brings rock-solid 4K stabilization, rugged durability, and innovative features to the forefront. Whether you're plunging into the deep shredding trails or chasing epic slow-motion moments, this lineup ensures your footage remains smooth, crisp, and cinematic, no matter how extreme the ride. Get ready to discover which gear deserves your next adventure and how each model elevates your storytelling. Number 1. AKASO Brave 7 LE. The AKASO Brave 7 LE is an affordable powerhouse that doesn't compromise on quality. Cutting-edge electronic image stabilization delivers buttery 4K at 30 frames per second footage free of motion blur. Dual-color screens make framing effortless, whether you're shooting above water or diving below. Its waterproof housing goes down to 131 feet, and the bundle includes multiple mounts plus a wrist-worn remote. A 170-degree ultra-wide lens captures it all. At $159 for the standard kit, or $199 for the Elite version, it's perfect for beginners and budget-savvy adventurers. Number 2. Insta360 One RS. With its modular architecture, the Insta360 One RS offers unparalleled flexibility. Flow state stabilization keeps everything silky smooth, even in high-intensity action. Swap between immersive 6K 360-degree capture and crisp 4K at 60 frames per second traditional video in seconds. The invisible selfie stick tricks your shots into drone-like perspectives without extra gear. AI-powered auto-editing transforms raw clips into polished highlights, while interchangeable lens modules adapt to any shooting scenario. Starting at $550 for the core kit and $699 for the premium bundle, it's a creative content maker's dream. Number 3. DJI Osmo Action 4. Designed to excel in any lighting, the DJI Osmo Action 4 pairs RockSteady 3.0 with HorizonSteady to lock your view during flips, dives, or high-speed races. Its large 1/1.3-inch sensor churns out stunning 4K at 120 frames per second, slow-mo, with remarkable clarity. The magnetic quick mount system lets you switch setups in a snap, and up to 160 minutes of battery life ensures marathon shooting sessions. Fully waterproof out of the box, it survives rain, splashes, and even full submersion. Priced at $399 or $499 for the adventure combo, it's built for outdoor explorers and night riders alike. Number 4. Sony RX0 II. Tiny yet tough, the Sony RX0 II packs a built-in Optical SteadyShot system that mechanically cancels shake during rapid movements. Its 1-inch sensor and Zeiss lens team up for super sharp 4K at 30 frames per second footage loaded with detail. The crush-proof, shock-proof, and waterproof design thrives in the harshest conditions. A tilting LCD makes low and high-angle vlogging a breeze, and it even shoots slow motion up to 1,000 frames per second in HD for cinematic flair. With prices starting at $698 or $899 for the full kit, it's a serious adventurer's best friend. Number 5. GoPro Hero 12 Black. Topping our list, the GoPro Hero 12 Black features HyperSmooth 6.0 stabilization that locks your horizon at 360 degrees for flawless footage on rough trails or daring jumps. It captures breathtaking 5.3K at 60 frames per second videos with cinematic clarity, and the front-facing screen is perfect for vloggers and selfie shooters. Its rugged, waterproof body works down to 33 feet without housing. Enhanced battery efficiency extends your recording time, and smart automation features simplify every shoot. Starting at $399, with an upgrade bundle at $499, this is the ultimate tool for pros and thrill seekers. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below on which camera you'd choose. Stay ahead with Pulse of Tech.